Welcome to Seasons for the Soul, a cherished space where we embrace nature's cycles and nurture the rhythms of our inner harmony. As we stand at the dawn of a new year, we invite you to join us in a meditation honoring the January 1st portal. This moment marks an auspicious time for new beginnings, setting intentions, and embracing renewal. Let us prepare to welcome the possibilities of this fresh start. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. And gently bring your awareness inward. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths together. Inhale for a count of 4, hold, and exhale for a count of 6. Now let's do it together. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, and release 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you breathe deeply, imagine each inhalation filling you with fresh energy. And each exhalation releasing the past year's tensions. Picture an open doorway before you. This is your portal to new beginnings. Step through, inviting intentions for the year ahead to arise. Reflect on the dreams and aspirations you hold dear. What seeds of intention do you wish to plant today? Feel into this moment of possibility, allowing yourself to envision these dreams blossoming. Trust in their growth, nurtured by your dedication and care. Affirm these intentions for the year anew. I step confidently into this new year, open to the infinite possibilities ahead. I set my intentions with clarity and purpose for renewal and growth. I embrace change and trust in the universe's unfolding journey. Feel these affirmations resonate deeply within. Take a few more deep breaths, grounding this sense of renewal into your very being. Prepare to carry this vibrant energy forward as our meditation gently concludes. Express gratitude for this sacred time and space, and the new pathways opening before you. When you're ready, softly open your eyes, ready to embrace the new possibilities of the year. If this meditation resonates with you, please like this video and subscribe for more insights and journeys. Join Seasons for the Soul as we move through the cycles of nature and continue to honor our heartfelt truths. Share your intentions or experiences with this new beginning in the comments below. Thank you for allowing us to accompany you on this path, sending you peace, clarity, and joyous beginnings. Namaste.